Hello friends, my name is Tarun and today I am going to explain an important function in Excel which is called delta function. This function is used to compare two numbers in Excel and it tests whether they are same or not. If the numbers are same, then it will return a result of 1, otherwise it will return a result of 0. It works only with numbers. The point to be noted here is it works only with numbers. It doesn't work with text. If you will try to compare two text values, it will return a result of hash value. So let's see how it works. Here we have been given a text where in column B we have different set of numbers. In column C we have different set of numbers. What we have to do, we have to compare both the columns. So let's use a function called delta. It has two components. First component is number 1 and second component is number 2. So my number 1 is this one and number 2 is this one. Simply enter. Now I will do Control D in order to find rest of the values. So here I get the result. As you can see in the table, 10 and 20 both are different, so it gave me a result of 0. 50 and 50 both are same, so it gave me a result of 1. 17.5 and 17.5 both are same, so it gave me a result of 1. 19 and 20 both are different, so it gave me a result of 0. 17.5 and 0.175 both are same, so it gave me a result of 1. I used a text hello and hello. Both are same, but as I told you, it doesn't work with text. If you will try to compare both text values, it will show you a error message hash value. So this is how delta function works. I hope you like this learning today. Thank you and bye-bye.